Are you looking for a way to add security and style to your home? Window grills are a fantastic solution. Not only do they protect your space, but they also enhance your home's overall design. In this video, we'll share quick and stylish window grill ideas to inspire your next upgrade. Modern minimalist designs. If you love a clean, contemporary look, modern minimalist designs are a great choice. Think sleek horizontal or vertical bars and simple geometric patterns. These designs are perfect for maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic without overwhelming the window's look. For an extra modern touch, opt for metallic finishes like black or silver. Traditional and ornate styles. For a timeless vibe, consider traditional designs. These grills often feature intricate patterns like curves or floral motifs, crafted from sturdy wrought iron. They're a perfect match for vintage or classic-style homes. Add a luxurious finish like bronze or antique gold to make your windows stand out. Functional and flexible designs. Need a practical solution? Sliding or foldable grills combine security with convenience. They're perfect for areas like balconies or patios, where flexibility is essential. These designs are versatile and come in styles that don't compromise on aesthetics. Material choices. When choosing a window grill, materials matter. Steel and wrought iron are strong and durable, while aluminum is lightweight and rust-resistant, ideal for coastal areas. Pick one that fits your home's design and maintenance needs. Closing. Window grills can transform your home, combining security with style. Whether you prefer sleek minimalism, classic elegance, or functional designs, there's a grill for you. Which design is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick home decor ideas. Thanks for watching.